In this video, we're gonna talk about how to make real big money with affiliate marketing in 2022. Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Munib Muhammad and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, then consider subscribing to this channel and smash that like button, because on this channel, I'm coming up with some amazing content for the people like you who are hustlers and wants to make some cash on internet. Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna talk about how you can potentially make 6 figures doing affiliate marketing in 2022, right? So affiliate marketing is one of the most lucrative business model in my opinion. This is where you can simply sell other companies' products and services by just simply partnering up with them. You don't have to have your own product or service. You don't have to deal with shipping and handling, customer support, and all those complicated things, which requires a lot of work and money, by the way. All you need is and skill to market and sell somebody else's product, and they will pay you commissions for that. Look, marketing and sales is the lifeblood of any business. People can have the best product in the world. They don't know how to market and sell them, then they are gonna be broke. This is why almost all the major brands are willing to pay huge commissions to anyone who has this skill, this mindset of marketing. Does that make sense? So basically, you're looking for people who has a problem and is looking for a solution to that problem. Then you comes in between and help them resolve that problem with a particular product or a service. And in between, you get commission from companies for recommending their product as an affiliate. This is amazing because especially in this .com era, you can work from anywhere in the world with whoever you want to work with, as long as you have the laptop with internet. This business model completely transformed my life. I tried too many businesses before this one, but I failed miserably. No, I'm not telling you those businesses are bad just because I failed in it. What I'm telling you is affiliate marketing is the best. It is the best out there without any doubt, especially if you don't have a lot of money that you can invest. Even if you do have a lot of money, I think you still need to do affiliate marketing because it will open up a lot more opportunities in your business. So no matter what you're doing, there is always some space for more improvement to scale your business. Does that make sense? Now, when I talk about affiliate marketing, there is a lot of information out there on internet, but not all strategies are gonna work. That's the harsh reality, because most of these so-called gurus are preaching the wrong model. Those are the outdated strategies which doesn't work. So a lot of people fail to make any money with affiliate marketing. As a matter of fact, 95% of the people fail in this business according to Mr. Google because they don't have the right information, the right guidance to be successful. So in this video, we are gonna break those myths. Okay, I'm gonna talk to you about the strategy that can make you a lot of money. I'm not guaranteeing you any money or any sort of income claims. Obviously, this depends on your ability, on how fast you can learn and implement with consistency. But I can tell you, these strategies, what I'm about to show you, gave me the freedom to travel, support my family, my community, and the things that I wanted to do. Now, I'm not a millionaire with a Lambo in my garage yet, but I can see myself growing every single day. And this is all because of affiliate marketing, selling other people's product and services. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the model that I personally use. As a matter of fact, let's jump into it. So there are 3 different ways to do affiliate marketing. And the number one thing that most of the people are doing is they go to affiliate network like ClickBank, JVZoo, Digistore, and they find a product that they want to promote, right? And they get their affiliate link. Let's say this is their affiliate link, right? Affiliate link. So now all they have to do is they have to find people, right? And send people to this affiliate link, right? And whoever buys this product, they're gonna make commission, right? So in order for them to send people to this affiliate link, if they want fast results, what they wanna do is they have to run ads, right? So hypothetically speaking, if you're paying $1 for 1 click, for people to visit your website, this could be more or this could be less, by the way, but just giving you an example, let's say you're running a Google ad or a YouTube ad or a Facebook ad or whatever, you have to spend some money, right? So let's say you're spending $100 for 100 people to visit this website, right? Which is your affiliate offer. And when 100 people visit this website, and let's say this product is worth $100, $100, and this company is paying 75% commission to their affiliates, which means you get $75 when you make a sale, right? So if you are lucky and if this product is really good, then the conversion rate is going to be 1%, right? So out of 100 people, 1% is going to buy. So you make commission $75, right? Now, congratulations, you made $75 commission. But if you notice you spend $100 on advertisement, you actually lose $25, right? If your business is not profitable, then how are you going to scale with this model? The answer is, it's simply, this is not how it's going to work. You cannot scale the business if we are not profitable in it, right? This is what the majority of the people on internet are teaching, the so-called gurus. And the chances are they themselves are not following this strategy, because they just heard this strategy from someone and they're just creating content on internet just to get some views and like. This is called blind following the blind, right? So this is something definitely you don't want to do. This is a wrong model. You don't want to do it, right? And the next model that too many people are following, this is a number 2 strategy method, which is called funnel-based model, right? So what they do is they find the product, and instead of sending people to that affiliate offer directly, what they do is they find people and they send these people to a landing page, okay? And in the landing page, they ask them to enter the email address. They collect their email addresses to build the email list, right? And once they enter the email list and once they hit enter, they redirect them from their affiliate link to this offer, right? Your affiliate offer. And when someone buys this thing, you're gonna make commission, right? So same scenario, let's say you're running ads on Facebook or whatever, you're spending $100 for 100 people to visit this website. Now what's gonna happen is the conversion rate, not everyone is gonna enter the email address. That's not gonna happen. Some people are just gonna click on your ad and they're just gonna simply leave. Let's say 30% of the people enter their email address, right? So now you have 30 people in your email address, right? And from this 30 people, 1% of the people are gonna buy the product, which is not even a single sale, right? Now, but most of the gurus will tell you, no, you don't understand. You have an email list. Now what you can do in your email list is you can remind people to buy this product. You can send promotional emails, and you can, from this promotional emails, and on your emails, from your emails, you can send people from your affiliate link to this offer, and you're gonna make money. Now let me ask you this simple question. If you are getting emails from someone every single day, promotional emails to buy this, what are you gonna do? Well, I don't know about you, I definitely gonna unsubscribe from that email list. Even if I don't unsubscribe, what I'm gonna do is I'll just ignore those emails. I would rather prefer not to open these emails, right? So what's gonna happen is if they are not opening those emails of your emails, right, then your deliverability rate is gonna go low. And when that happens, your email autoresponder service is not gonna send emails to those people, because they're gonna think that you are basically spamming people, right? This is not gonna work. This is why people are failing in this business. What I do is I follow the third strategy, number 3, right? What I do is I basically create a home on internet, an ecosystem. So what I do is I build this ecosystem, my home on the internet. And most of the people who are following these 2 models that I showed you, they are homeless. They don't have a home on the internet. They don't have a place. They are just relying on just the affiliate link, right? Or just the landing page and email list. Let me just be honest with you. You cannot build a huge business just because you have a landing page with email list. You need a home on internet. And if you can change your approach to what I'm about to show you, then you can tap into any niche you want and make a fortune out of it. You just have to think yourself as a business and build a brand just by promoting other people's product and services. Same like Credit Karma, same like Capterra.com. So instead of relying on just affiliate links, what you do is you create a brand simply by offering solution to a particular problem and recommending them your affiliate products inside your home on the internet. So in this ecosystem, which is your home on the internet, what you do is you deliver value, you offer solutions, right? You recommend products, and you build a brand, right? And I'm gonna create multiple entries, right? Multiple entries to my home on the internet. And these doors are the funnels, right? These are the funnels. Everything is a funnels. You see what I'm saying? I'm not sending people from these funnels directly to the offer. What I'm doing is from these doors, these funnels, I'm sending them inside my home where I'm building strong relationship. I'm giving them the value, I'm providing them the solutions, I'm recommending them the products, and I'm building my brand. This is how you do business. I don't want to make this too complicated for you. Let me show you some examples of the businesses who are following this same exact strategy. Well, have you heard about this company called Credit Karma? Where if you are from US, then you probably know. Let's see how Credit Karma makes money, right? So according to Investopedia, Credit Karma makes money when anyone purchases a product or service they recommend, right? So let's see what they are doing. This is the website of Credit Karma, right? And if you, let's say for example, if I go to credit cards and I go to shop credit cards, right? They're recommending these credit cards, right? Capital One, Citi, and all those things, right? They're recommending too many credit cards, right? Discover. And let's say if I click over here, right? What's gonna happen is, boom, I'm on citicards.com. I'm on Citi website, right? I'm not on Credit Karma website. They have redirected me from their affiliate link to Citicard, right? This is how they are making money. And let's see how much money they are making right now, right? So if I just Google how much money does Credit Karma makes, it shows they are making $418 million in 2022. They have generated $418 million. Yes. And this is what you can do if you have a home on the internet. If you are not just following the funnel based or affiliate link based model. You need a home on the internet. And if you want to learn how you can do this, I cannot explain everything in detail on the YouTube video, right? I'm going to leave a link right below this video. You can just simply click there and register your spot for the 100% free training. Just go register your spot and I'll see you in the next video.